How to fix the Monopoly Go application not loading on your iPhone or Android device. Welcome back to another simple video, everyone. In this video, we'll go through a couple of different solutions on how you can resolve the problem where the Monopoly Go game is not loading and you're unable to play it because of that. The first step is to restart the game itself. You will open your app switcher, close the app completely, and then relaunch the app one more time. If that didn't work, then you can restart your iPhone or your Android phone. I'm on my iPhone, so we can restart it by clicking on the volume up button, then the volume down button, and long hold the power button. This power off screen will appear where you want to slide to power off. Wait a couple of seconds until your device turns off completely, and then press the power button one more time until your Apple logo appears. Just wait until the phone turns on and then try and open the Monopoly Go application. Another thing that you need to check is if you have any apps opened in the background while you are trying to play Monopoly Go. You will open your app switcher, and if you see any applications opened in the background, simply close them and see if that fixes your problem. Too much apps in the background can use your phone's RAM memory and other stuff, and they might cause the problem where your app isn't loading. So just close all of the apps from the app switcher, and let's continue to the next step. Another thing that you want to do is to check your battery life. Make sure that your device has more than 20% battery life, and if it doesn't, plug it in a charger and wait a couple of minutes until the battery goes above 20%. If you have less than 20% of battery on your iPhone or Android, that might cause problems with the app itself, and that's why it's not loading properly. And the last step that I have for you is to check for any new updates in the App Store or the Google Play Store, as well as your software updates for the phone. Firstly, we will check if the game has any new updates in our App Store or the Google Play Store. If it does have a new update, simply click on the Update button and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the game is installed. Maybe your app has some bugs or some performance issues, and updating the app regularly may fix your problem. Another thing that we will do is to check if we have any new software updates for our iPhone or Android device. Maybe your OS has some bugs and other stuff that may interfere with your game, so try and update your software to the latest version in order to get all of the latest fixes and performance improvements. Try out these solutions and see if your game will load after all of these steps. If you have any other solution to this problem, make sure to leave it in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.